Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to be looking at how to add photo to Apple Wallet. It's important to clarify that Apple Wallet is designed to store digital passes, tickets and cards, not general photos. Therefore, you cannot directly add a photo from your photo library into Apple Wallet in the way you might expect. Here's a breakdown of what Apple Wallet does and some workarounds. Apple Wallet is for digital passes. That is for primarily storing digital versions of things like boarding passes, event tickets, loyalty cards, payment cards. Now, these items are typically added to Apple Wallet through apps that support Apple Wallet integration like airline apps or ticketing apps. Websites that offer Apple Wallet passes also scan QR codes to generate wallet passes. Now, what are the workarounds or alternatives if you really do want to add a photo? If you want quick access to important photos like your ID photos, the best approach is to create an album in the Photos app. Keep the album readily available or accessible. This is the best way to keep pictures easily accessible on your iPhone. You can also use some third-party apps because they claim to create custom passes that can include images. However, the reliability and security of these apps can vary. It's very important to be cautious when using these third-party applications that ask for access to sensitive information. In some regions, digital vaccine records can be added to Apple Wallet. This is done through specific health apps or by scanning QR codes provided by health authorities. In summary, you cannot directly add a photo from your photo library to Apple Wallet. Apple Wallet is for digital passes and cards. The photo app is the best way to store and quickly access photos.